Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Wasanda.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, into engayidlulisa mina naye. The tune of the song that we've been looking for.
Yeah.
The tune of the song that we've been looking for.
Yeah.
We finally
Say
found
it
it.
again.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Remember, whenever players or coaches or figure, uzoqala akube nama mistake there and there. Now that is why I'm saying the tune of the song that we've been looking for, finally found it. Ngithanda indlela ucoach aqala ngayo igame nama players aqala ngayo igame. Iyo esenza ukuthi siwine because indlela esiqala ngayo means ngamanye amagama sizoyiwina igame. Amajiti mawaqala igame uyibheka iParis maqala igame. Yenza show ukuthi kwi first half ifuna ukuthi iwine noma kanjani iyaphusha ngoba siyazi ukuthi 90 minutes kula sokhathala khona. So ngithe mina last week mangithi amajita if azobambisana ngalendlela engayo iPirates yaphambili. Anginayo idoubt iPirates asiwari thina ngabanye abantu. Mina angisafuna ukwazi ukuthi abanye bakuyiphinda kuyiphi position. Mina nginandaba la mina iPirates ngifuna ihlale lapha ku number 1 noma kanjani. Big up to my players.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you.